What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So guys, it is currently 8:44 right now. Yes, I know it's early, but today we're gonna be having a little fun vlog today. Today we're gonna be going to Stroke Farms. Basically it's a farm that has like pumpkin patches, rides. So today we're gonna be going with my son's school, so I'll be vlogging all that today. So yeah, I'm just currently waiting outside my son's school right now. I don't want to show it too much because I don't want to, expose the school's location. But so I'm currently like sitting out here waiting. I'm waiting actually for the bus because I'm going to be following the bus there, and then I'll be driving there. So once we get there, well, once the bus gets here, I'll like vlog that. But once the bus pulls off, I'm gonna have to drive there, and then once we get there, then I'll pick up where we left off at. But give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, guys, let's have a little fun vlog today. All right, guys, so like 40 minutes later, the buses have pulled up and I'm behind them right now. So once we get to the location, I will show you how the farm looks. And yeah, see guys, the buses are right there. There's 2 of them, so I'll be following them to the farm. So again, guys, this is my first time being at this farm. I've never been to this farm, so it's a new experience for me. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, this is the farm. So guys, look at my son right there. It's like this big old jumping, I don't know, like filled with air and they jump on it. Looks like fun. Pumpkin patches right over there.
Yeah. What else?
Look at this slide, guys. Come on, baby. We gotta find your group. Come on. I know, baby.
Can I go to there?
Not yet.
No.
You don't want to go up there? This is a big old slide, guys. And my son doesn't want to go on it. Looks pregnant. I don't know where the food is. Come on, baby. Look, there's another one.
You see? No, not a cow. That's a child. The goat.
Look at the goat.
The goat came to say hi.
Look at him. Hi. I don't got no food, baby. I'm sorry. It wants food. Thinks you got food. You want to see the porcupine? Come on.
Okay, don't do that.
Look, baby. Come here.
Hay una cabra. Let's go.
those things in the back? Those are quills.
Oh shit! Why did I do that?
Those are quills. You see them?
He's so scary.
I know, but that's how he protects himself. Quills. That's what it looks like.
Ew.
It's from Africa.
Ew. It's huge.
He's huge. Come on. Let's go over here.
Sharpie.
Come on, baby.
I don't want to go again.
The sheep. Hi.
Oh, it's a sheep.
Yeah, it's a sheep. Thinks you got food. Petting it, Jasper?
I got him a cup.
Oops, sorry. Hi. It's my first time petting a cow.
Oh, you're doing such a great job.
Oh, you could give it water. You see the cow? Oh, it just bit her finger.
Hungry guy.
Watch those teeth.
See the cow,
Okay,
baby?
come on, guys. You guys are gonna run out of time. Oh, there.
Ah!
It's okay, Jasper.
Right now. It's above your head.
That is so cute. You see it? It's a llama. Oh, that's too cute. That's too cute. Come on, baby. Let's go see the other animal. Come on. Because I think your friends want to go on the train. Oh, you could give it food through here. Look at bites. You touched it? Yeah, we on the train. We on the train.
You want to record it? Record and a picture. Oh shit. Supposed to be recording.
Ooh, what is that?
Oh, they got mad stuff down there.
I know. I got the spider web down there. This reminds me of the haunted hayride that I went
I ain't
on
never
last
been.
year.
It's nice.
Oh yeah, it's scary.
Yeah.
Yep. They jump out on the wagon.
Oh, all types of shit.
Yeah. They have Jason, they have Freddy Krueger, all that.
Oh, there's kids over there.
Oh, little playground, look.
Man, driving drunk.
Oh, I bet that's not the little kid. Oh, we're going behind the point.
Babies over there. Little kids.
Jasper,
Mommy, I want to go to the sandbox.
you want to go to the sandbox?
Big boys. I want to play with the big boys.
I think we could go to the sandbox after lunch, okay? Yeah, what's that? Alright guys, we're about to just got done with lunch and we're about to head to this tractor ride. Come on. Come on, Jasper. So guys. Just waiting to load onto that thing right there. Focus. There we go. Okay, look at Jasper. When we come back, we're gonna take a picture on that chair. Okay? Heading over there now. You are gonna take a picture on the chair. All right, guys. Once we get on there, I'll pick up the camera. Oh, there's a playground down there. Yeah. See the playground?
Me too.
All kinds of stuff down there.
Okay, but mommy, where we
Go ahead,
get
baby.
lost?
Hold on. I'm gonna see if he can tie your shoe. Let me see if he can tie your shoe real quick. How to find your way out of the maze. Locate the left hand wheel. Then
I gotta
follow
take a
that.
picture of that. My phone dead.
It's okay. We'll find our way out. So guys, this is the corn maze. We're about to go through it. Oh man. Hopefully we don't get lost.
You just walked in a circle.
Antonio!
I think this is a dead end. Because I think this is a dead end. I think we're supposed to go that way.
No. I'm scared.
Go this way, baby. Let's go this way. Go left, baby. Go left. You should be good at mazes. You be going through mazes like, oh man, what is this? We gotta go through that. I don't know. There's two trails that way. Go ahead, Jasper.
I want to go.
You heavy, baby.
This is the hardest part.
You just gotta find your way out. I think we should go that way.
No, I don't want to go.
Let's go this way.
No.
Oh, there's people all over the trail. Oh man.
Right, this way. Mommy, why do you have to go here? Ricky! Oh, scary.
Go ahead.
This one's stuck to my foot,
Don't
Ricky.
lose him.
Ricky, this one's stuck to my foot.
Keep going, baby.
Look at those ones.
We gotta find our way out. Hey, Lonnie. We're going through a maze. Guys, we're really like lost in some corn. Oh, it's muddy over here too. Hey, Lonnie, where we gotta go to get out? Look at the corn, guys. Look at the corn.
Oh, yeah, I see something. That's a dead end.
Oh, there's another sign over there.
No, that's a dead end.
Let me see what it says. Hold on. It says Great North American Eclipse.
Mommy, I found the way out.
No, I think this is the way we came in, right?
No.
Because my son found the exit. I don't know if that's the exit or not. Let me see. Let me see. Does it say exit? Does it say exit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did find the way out. Yeah, because we were over there. Hey, hey, Jasper, you gotta wait for the tractor again. Alright guys, so this is the end of this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This little fall festivity that we had today. Jasper, you wanna say hi? But yes guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of the Stroke Farms vlog. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.